Today, we're going to work on submitting an event result correction for results that already exist in the database. To start, you're going to want to log into your account. Once I'm at the dashboard, I'm going to go visit the dog that I want to look at results for. So I'm going to use Letty, and I'm going to click View Details. As I come through here, I'm going to come down to the event results, and I'm going to take a look at this record right here. As you can see, there's a lot of detail here. And while we're working to make this page a little bit more user-friendly to view, this gives you an idea. So this shows you things like your base points, the best of breed points, who the judge was, and even the scoring year. Right now, we're having a problem getting the time to display correctly. You will not be using the result correction form to correct this at this time, but you can use it to submit something like correcting the class or the points or submitting results that are recorded to your dog that don't belong to you. So to do that, I'm going to click on Submit Ticket. You'll notice that when I click Submit Ticket, my dog's registration number has already pulled over. It also is defaulting to results error, and I cannot change that field. We have the event ID, the class that the dog is currently in, as well as the club. You cannot edit these fields for this type of results correction. However, you can come down here and say, my dog did not compete. Or if your dog qualified and it was marked as an NQ, you can select Q. If this dog was in lost item 2 and not lost item 1, I would come down here and select lost item 2 from the menu. So essentially you're asking the club to change the class your dog was in. If there's a points error, you can select any or all of the points error options. So I'm going to select base points, and it was actually 24. Now, if I have any documentation, such as photos of event results or scribe sheets from the event, I'm going to go ahead and upload them right here. And then you're going to want to be very specific in your comments. This dog competed in level 2 of lost item, not level 1. Days. These descriptions are very important because it helps communicate to both the club and to NASDA admin exactly what's going on. Now you notice I've referenced communicating to the club. That's because these forms will actually begin flowing directly to the clubs through the club admin dashboard for them to review once we've had a chance to look at them. So it allows us to better monitor the chain of how results come in, where they're at in the correction status, and then getting them into the database as quickly as possible. When you're all done, you're going to click Submit. You're going to receive a message that tells you that we'll get back to you shortly. Now I go back to the My Dogs menu and scroll down. I can actually see the ticket that's waiting to be reviewed. The ticket status will change as it goes through the process, and if there's a substantial change, such as it cannot be processed because it's lacking information or it's a duplicate, those will show up here in the admin notes. I hope that was helpful today. Thank you.